Hey guys, welcome back to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is your girl Stacy-Lee checking in. This morning we'll be doing some bulgur porridge. So here we have the bulgur wheat. This is the bulgur wheat. So what I did, I went to add it to the magic bullet. We add the bulgur to it. We also add the vanilla, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some salt, and some sugar to it. So what we did, just to add some water to the magic bullet. So what I did is to add those to it and allow it to soak in a little. So I'm just going to give it a little blend. So with this, I don't want it to be blended out too much. So what I'm going to do is just give it like 2 seconds or 5 seconds. All right, that should be good. So what I'm going to do now is to add it to the pot. So just add the mixture to the pot. All right. So you're just going to mix this a little. And you're going to allow this to cook. So we're just going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. So in this bowl, I'm going to add some flour to it. About 4 spoonfuls of flour. So you just add the flour to it, add some water. So the flour is what is going to let the bulgur get thick or come together. So you just mix out this. What the bulgur looks like when it is cooked. So I'm now going to add the flour to it. So this is what the flour looks like. The flour is all mixed out to liquid. So we're going to add it to the bulgur. Continuously mix this. So this is a bit too thick. So we're going to add some more water to it. So we're just adding some water to it. So we're going to allow this to cook, and then we're going to add our coconut milk to it. So all right, this is the Grace coconut milk. So I'm just going to add half of it to it. And just allow this to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we're now going to add some condensed milk to it, just for taste. Okay guys, this is the end product of the bulgur porridge. And for the bulgur, this is healthy for the heart, weight loss, those persons who are having problem with controlling their their blood sugar. The bulgur is good. Those who have constipation problem, the bulgur is good. Digestive problem. It is also rich in vitamin D, right? So those who want to lose weight, this is a good option, a good choice. So tell me what you think about this bulgur porridge. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Big up yourself. Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. Checking out.